So this is going to show you how to submit your assignments. Now, if you do not submit your assignment correctly, A, you will not be able to move forward, and B, I'm going to give you a 0. I don't care if you did it or didn't do it, and that's just how it's going to be. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Forgive me for like the 1,000 tabs that I have open, but this is a lot of times, what your assignments are going to look like. They're going to be a Google Doc, and sometimes this will be really, really small, this piece here, okay? It's going to be really small. So what you want to do is when you get an assignment like this, you'll see right here, you click this blue link, and you click it, it's going to open up a new tab. In here, you can answer everything, okay? Also, a lot of times it'll say use the maps here. So you can open up that. It'll open up another tab, and you've got some maps here. And it'll say, you know, what state is west of North Carolina. So you go over here, you look at your map, you go and you answer your question, blah, blah, blah. When you're done, you do not go up here and click share. Do not. That is not what you do. When you are finished, you go over to the tab with your assignment on it, and this will be filled out with everything you have. Now, here's the only part that I can't show you on the screen, but once you do that, down here at the bottom, you'll scroll, there'll be a button that says submit. And once you click submit, then you're good to go. Then I've got it. You can exit out this up here. You can exit out all this other stuff. Boom, that's gone. Boom, that's gone. We're back to here. And then you can either click next to go on to the next assignment, but if there's no next button, then you don't do that. So that's how you submit an assignment every single time. It'll be that easy. And for the PlayPosit lecture videos, you don't have to submit. At the end of the video, it'll say complete, just like you saw in the last one. That means it's submitted. So if you can go on to the next assignment, then that means you submitted it. If you go to click next assignment, it says you haven't done it, and you're thinking, Mr. Hampstead, I did do it. You know, this stupid computer needs to, you know, get pooped on. Then I'll say, did you submit it correctly? And I'm here to help, so if you have questions, please ask me, but you should know how to do that at this point. Boom, that's how you submit your assignments. Way to go. Proud of you.